Hello, how are you guys today? I'm going to make a roller bottle. I'm going to use this one right here. It's got yellow and orange and fun things like that. So why roller bottles? Roller bottles are great for targeting things and for overall things as well. So they're easy to use. The application is super simple. You can just roll it on the bottom of your feet. Some of them you can just put on the back of your neck, the inside of your wrist. It just makes it easy to apply different oils together. And I'm going to make a blend called Courage. So this has 3 drops of bergamot, 3 drops of tangerine, and 2 drops of basil. And then I'm going to top it with fractionated coconut oil. I like to use these little funnels because it makes it so much easier to get the oils right into the bottle. So let's get this bergamot, just 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And if you get an extra one, it really doesn't matter. It's not gonna make a bad compound or whatever. It's gonna be just fine. And 3 drops of tangerine, 3 of those, and 2 drops of the basil. Oh, got 3 of those too, so equal, it's all good. Then, like I said, the fractionated coconut oil, and I'm just gonna fill it up about to the neck of the bottle. I'm just gonna squeeze this in. Let's see, a little more, just covering my whole face there, sorry people. Okay, that looks about right. And then I wish I could find more of these, but I love this little handy dandy tool. I'm gonna put this oil bottle right in there, and then you have the roller top, and it kind of snaps in place, but this really helps me to get it put in there. Let's get that all. Ooh, that one went in pretty good. So that's all right on there, nice and snug. Put the lid on, and you can just kind of shake it up a little bit. And I made some labels, so we're going to add that to it. And sometimes you need to tape the ends because once in a while they'll kind of pull up from the side. Just gonna put that right on there. And there you have it. Simple, quick. This one does have bergamot in it, or bergamot, which is an essential oil that is a citrus. So essential oils that are citrusy can cause some skin irritation. So you want to put this on, usually on the bottom of your feet, somewhere where you won't be out in the sun. There you have it, Courage. So let me tell you a little bit about some of these oils. Bergamot is the oil of self-acceptance. It helps you have confidence, optimism, and just be more, kind of see things a little bit lighter handed, right? And then, oh, hopeful and good enough. Sorry, I made some notes because I don't want to forget some of these things. Then the tangerine is the oil of spontaneity. So you want to be more lighthearted, fun, and creative, fulfilled and joyful and lighthearted. So there's some amazing oils right there. And then basil is the oil of renewal. It helps you be more energized, rejuvenated, rested, and strengthened. That's why this combination will really help you to feel more courage and to move forward, more lighthearted, and more enjoying the things that you're looking forward to. Super, super simple. You guys have a great day.